brave yourself. I have only 10 fidget spinners more and gonna destroy them all for you guys. And this time it's gonna be for real. Remember once I met that construction guy with a road roller and asked him to help me to do a slime video? So this time his road roller is much bigger, 26,000 pounds. Well, that's not a train, but I hope it will destroy all the fidget spinners. Ready for some action? I took a list of metal so the spinners won't press into asphalt and hope that the road roller would smash it like the train in my previous video did. Okay, really looking forward to the result. Love destroying those annoying spinners. Hope to see it in the small pieces. Let's do this, guys. And please don't tell me that I'm too cruel, always giving it the last spin. Oh man, what's wrong with this crazy toy? Just look at it. Why 26,000 pounds couldn't destroy it? Are fidget spinners even from this planet? But I'm not stopping here. Got to catch them all. Destroy them all. So just we'll stick 3 of them with hot glue and here the second episode. No way, still alive. I thought that spinners would be destroyed by itself. Even construction guys don't believe their eyes. The road roller operator told me that it has kind of vibration mode, so let's check it too. By the way, do you think it will help to destroy those annoying spinners? Third episode, let's do that. At last! So that's what I have after all. Let's see what's inside. That's what happens when the bad meets evil. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.